Guys, we are going to replace the screen of my laptop. So as I
See the
watched
model?
already, I removed the screw on the top left corner, the screw on the top right corner, the screw on the bottom left and the bottom right side. If you are not finding the head of the bolts, probably it's because they are hidden behind a rubber, alright? So a protection that's on the screen. Alright, so just remove the rubber, you see the head, remove the head, keep the bolts, right? Then the screen will open the front side and the back side, right? In my case, the laptop, my screen is being held by this bolt and that bolt on the bottom, right? On both sides. Also, the motherboard connection to the display was on the back here with that cable, right? I just lifted the sticker and pushed the cable far away backwards. Then the screen was disconnected. What I'm going to do, I will just remove the bolts on each side, and then the broken screen will come up. And oh yeah.
The real play socket.
Yeah,
with
so
this.
how I downloaded a software called Spacy. I can leave in the comments below. And then after removing the front cover and the back cover, I could read the sticker, right? So I got the model of my laptop, my screen, you know, and that's the replacement. I just need to match the holes. Very tiny screw.
Felipe, how will you take out this?
Oh yeah. One side in. I put the other side as well, so I'm not bending anything. We are doing it live. I watched just one tutorial, right? I watched just one video before doing this, right? And I watched the video like a few weeks ago. That was when I purchased the replacement screen. It seems to be aligned.
You cannot take this, Felipe.
I will remove.
But you need to remove before to put the.
Last bolt. Keep my screw nearby. Put here. So it's okay. Now tightening, finding. Right, so I tightened there, tightened here. This screen was fixed. Right. So now I need to plug the cable. Let's go there. So
Plug first the motherboard cable.
yeah, motherboard cable. It just comes flat here. There's no gaps.
Yeah, connected.
And put the tape over here. No, I think the camera, all the other cables, they are attached, you know. I believe we just put these wires behind the metal cover, so when I close the lid, it won't crush them. Yeah, look. Yeah, thank you, Leo.
Here's not yet. Not yet.
Yeah, not yet.
Not yet the back.
Yeah,
the
but
back.
let's lift it up.
This part is not ready.
And I remove the plastic.
Oh yeah. Oh, ready? That's it?
Now I just need to take the bolts. Let's turn it on, see if it works.
Yeah!
I will just close the lid, right? Let me find the bolts, because what I did, I used a software to give me the informations I needed to find the motherboard. Then when I found the motherboard, I had to be sure that the screen I needed was the one that was announced. So I removed the cover. Guys, we are keep going
To finish?
to finish our screen replacement. So I just found the other screws, the other attachments. So look, the cover has this hole on the corner, all right? So we need to keep this hole free, and I need to attach
Inside.
an extra screw in the inside part. The screw is in. Perfect. I'm screwing in the display. Oh yeah, that part gone. Okay, so now I can finish assembling, and the laptop is already on. Maybe I should turn it off. Maybe yes, maybe no, because it's just a small fixing to finish. Wow. It was finished, everything is together. I just put the last bolts.
You have four, you have two on the top and two on the bottom yet?
Yes. One on each corner. We have 4 rubbers.
Rubbers, yeah.
Yeah. That will cover, that will do a nice finishing. Right, so now, yes. I thought it was something really difficult to do, but no, it was quite easy. I think anyone with tools, a small Phillips screwdriver and a bit of patience and time, you can do that. And the quality, wow, man, it seems to be like the original screen, it's equal or better than the original screen, so I'm really happy. Then I have the plastics. These ones go on top, like here.
On the bottom here.
Wow, voila! Ta-da! Perfect. Thank you guys. See you soon.